The trial date of former Dallas police officer Amber Guyger gets closer. The legal drama surrounding the case intensifies. The election campaign for former DA Faith Johnson has now been subpoenaed. Fox 4's Sean Rabb in our newsroom with the very latest. Sean?
Heather, Guyger's defense team wants the trial moved out of Dallas. They say too much pervasive media coverage, and they're trying to prove interference by influential outside sources, including the former district attorney. One legal observer we spoke to says he sees more than just Johnson. You want the opportunity to bring the indictment as the DA.
I want the opportunity to bring the indictment. It happened under my watch, and I think that's very significant that I take this case to the grand jury.
Former District Attorney Faith Johnson is part of the argument by defense attorneys that fired Officer Amber Guyger's murder trial should be moved.
This is basically a laundry list of items they're requesting.
We showed former Judge David Finn the subpoena application for the Faith Johnson campaign for district attorney, requesting many items during the period September 6th, the day of the shooting, to Election Day, November 6, 2018.
They seem to think that they're onto something, that there is something out there.
When Guyger's attorneys, Toby Shook and Robert Rogers, filed their change of venue motion, they named Beto O'Rourke in his comments, along with DA Johnson, as a dangerous combination against Amber Guyger instigated by influential persons, one of the standards that must be met in change of venue requests. John Creuzot defeated Johnson, who had been appointed DA by Governor Abbott.
So there was politics involved at the beginning with Faith Johnson using that during her campaign, to a much lesser extent Judge Creuzot trying to out-tough each other, if you will. And now you've got politics regarding the change of venue.
The former judge, though, says it goes beyond Johnson and Creuzot.
You have Mayor Rawlings weighing in. You have the Dallas Morning News editorial board weighing in. And you've got the mayor of the city basically saying, we need justice. Well, what does that mean? You've got the elected DA, we need justice. You've got the candidate for DA, we need justice. I mean, what kind of tone is that setting?
Judge Tammy Kemp expected to hear arguments for and against the change of venue request next month.
Judge Kemp's a strong, articulate, intelligent woman, and I suspect she is wrestling with this.
And Finn feels either way jurors should be sequestered.
Restrict their access to social media and even their cell phones to make sure both sides get a fair trial and the verdict's based on the evidence and not on the media, not on politics, not on Facebook, but on the evidence in the courtroom.
So the dates for pretrial motions to be heard, including that change of venue, looks to be August 19th and 20th. Jury selection set to start on the 6th of September, the one-year anniversary of this critical incident. The trial scheduled to begin the 4th week in September.